Hi there. In this 108 Business Video Series Firesale review, I'm going to show you a powerful bundle that gives you access to 108 fully loaded PLR funnels, complete with video training, sales pages, graphics, and unrestricted rights. Stick around because I'll also walk you through all the upgrades, OTOs, so you'll know exactly what you're getting before making a decision. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm an experienced six-figure affiliate marketer with over 6 years in the industry. I make these reviews to help you find the best tools and strategies to boost your online income. If that sounds good, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and tap the bell notification so you never miss an update. And before we dive in, I've got some exclusive bonuses for you if you decide to grab the 108 Business Video Series Firesale through my link below. Check the description for details. You don't want to miss them. What is the 108 Business Video Series Firesale? The 108 Business Video Series Firesale is a massive vault of 108 done-for-you PLR products, each one complete with training videos, sales pages, graphics, source files, and unrestricted private label rights. That means you can rebrand, resell, give them away as bonuses, use them in memberships, or even flip them as your own products. It's designed for anyone who wants to quickly launch digital products, grow their list, build bonus stacks, or create their own training library without creating anything from scratch. Why this is so powerful. No product creation, no tech skills needed. Instant library of 100 plus funnels. Keep 100% of the profit when you resell. Everything's included and fully customizable. It's a plug-and-play content vault designed for busy marketers who want real assets they can start selling or using today. Now, I want to be honest. This isn't some magic system that's going to print money on autopilot. But if you're willing to take action, this gives you all the tools to start your own info product business or scale what you're already doing. Fast. Standout features that caught my eye. 108 full sales funnels. That's over 1,500 training videos and 882 sales modules. Sales pages, graph source files. Use as is or rebrand as your own. Resell, build a list, use in memberships. No monthly fees, one-time access. Whether you want to resell them, build a content library, or use them for bonuses in affiliate promos, this is a huge shortcut. How it works. Step 1, purchase and get instant access to the entire vault. Step 2, pick a funnel and customize it or not. Step 3, upload, sell, or offer it as a lead magnet. You keep 100% of the profits. No complicated setup, no video editing. Just follow the instructions and you're up and running. Let's talk about the upgrades, OTOs. After grabbing the front end, here's what you'll see. OTO 1, $77, premium funnel bundle, more high-converting funnels and advanced assets. OTO 2, $197, done-for-you reseller setup, fully hosted, plug in your link system. OTO 3, $39 Vault Volume 1, extra exclusive products. OTO 4, $39 PLR Vault Volume 2, more content, more resale opportunities. OTO 5, $39.99, graphics pack, professionally designed graphics to boost conversions. OTO 6, $39 Swipe and 99, includes email templates, banners, and more. OTO 7, $97 to $297, coaching and premium vault access, high-level training, or mega PLR access. Pick the ones that fit your needs, and feel free to skip the ones you don't. What I like about this fire sale, it's perfect for beginners or busy marketers. You're getting insane value for a tiny price. You can start selling immediately. All rights included, no restrictions. What could be improved? This is not for people looking for custom-built software or advanced VFX. If you expect this to replace building a brand or learning marketing, it won't. You still need to put in effort and promote, but this makes it 100x easier. Final thoughts. Should you get it? If you're looking for an affordable way to build your product empire, grow your email list, or boost your affiliate promos, the 108 Business Video Series Fire Sale is an absolute steal. For less than $30, you're getting 108 income-generating assets you can use however you like, and they'll never expire. Grab it using the link below and claim my exclusive bonuses too. They're waiting for you inside Warrior Plus after purchase. Thanks for watching my 108 Business Video Series Fire Sale review. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more honest reviews and real ways to build your online income. Let's crush it.